Don't wait too long to make your move.
You do that thing with your mouth when you're upset.
I tried to paint you a picture. The colors were wrong. Black and white didn't fit you. And all alone, you were shaded with patience. Your strokes of everything that I need just to make it. And I believe that time could tear you apart, but it won't break anything that you are.
It's just like you. Even now, you're protecting her. That was the point of having people who care about you in your life. To have something to talk to when you're scared.